Hey guys, what is up? My name is Mendy and this is Diskarte Pilipinas. If you watch my previous video, sinabi ko na magbabago na yung type ng content na gagawin ko. Just because sobrang formal nun, tsaka hirap i-set up. Ako na gawin yun. But nagagawin ko ngayon, more casual talks. I think that's really what works. The challenge for this week is for me to make 1,000 pesos in 5 days. So what I mean by that is there are apps that pay you to play. There are apps that pay you to do some tasks. And also there are apps that are just technically ported from the internet to an app where you could do surveys and stuff like that. At pag hindi ako umabot ng 1,000 pesos in 5 days, mamimigay ako ng 1,000 pesos to someone who is running a small business para gamitin nila pang dagdag pondo. And so, papakita ko lahat ng ginagawa ko. So, I'm doing this challenge because napansin ko whenever I look for ways to make money sa YouTube, parating lumalabas yung kumita ng pera gamit ang cellphone. Tapos yung iba may hawak pang 4,000, 5,000, 10,000. Also, before we begin the video, I'm not gonna lie, nag-film na ako ng 1 day 2 weeks ago kaso hindi ko natuloy dahil ang dami kong ginagawa. But now that my schedule is free, I can finally move forward with this video. So, ang gagawin ko na lang, experience ko from that 1 day of doing that. Actually, nag-start ako nun mga 3 o'clock na. So, medyo fair pa rin. Nag-start ako at 8:35 p.m. on a Thursday night. But this will count as 1 full day dahil nga nag-start na ako 2 weeks ago with just 1 day. Ito na maganda dito sa gantong pag-video nabubuksan ko yung electric fan, ang init These two apps are the first apps that I downloaded on that day 2 weeks ago na ginawa ko to. So this is an app that literally pays you money to break some balls. So yung footage na pinapanood nyo ngayon is me playing this game and trying to make money off of it. Anyways, nilaro ko to after an hour of playing actually. I did not make money. But just going back, so there are tasks, there are purple diamonds that you can get from doing tasks, break 50 spheres, play 3 games. And those purple diamonds are what you can use to exchange for money. So as you can see, kailangan mo ng 420 freaking thousand diamonds to make $5. That's 241 pesos. I actually played a lot of this game. Right now, I've got 1,540. I don't like my odds in this game. There has to be an easier way to make money. Merong mas madaling diskarte kaysa dito eh. This one is interesting. It's called Current. All you have to do is listen to music and it pays you. That's just nuts. That is nuts. Again, you'll be needing 7,950 points for $1. 9,950 points for $3. Right now, I have got 442. And I computed from my video from way back, I would be needing to listen to about 84 to 90 hours of music. 84 to 90 hours of music to get $1. Wait, is it $1? So that's 230 minutes. So, how many 200s are there in 7,900? That's 20 hours for $1. My question is, how often do you listen to music? I also found a couple of YouTubers that are saying you can make money using your cell phone. Tapos, ang gagawin mo is mag-Bitcoin trading ka. That doesn't make sense. That just doesn't make sense. And most of the apps are gone now from the Play Store. Or even the websites are gone, so they were scam websites. So what I'm gonna try to do now is find ways to make money online. Paano kumita ng pera gamit ang cellphone? Alright. 2020 tayo. Man, sobrang wala. Whoa! 394,441. Pinaka-legit na app 2020. Jeez, man. 394,441.
Hello, welcome to my channel. It's me again, Ria.
82,100k subscribers. Amazing.
Proof of record sa kanila, so yan po siya. And then, noong October
394,000.
sa kanila ng 46.
Don't get me wrong, I'm not shitting on them. Hindi ko sila dinidis. Hindi ko sila... I'm just trying to figure out how to make this much money. I'm reading, actually, I scrolled down, tapos bumaba ako ng comments, sabi nung madami, actually marami kasing gumamit ng referral niya kaya siya kumita. So this might be an affiliate type of income instead of actually making money from your phone. Wow, 394,441 pesos from referral code. Oh, itong happy game na naman pala siya. God damn it. I don't think I can play this game. People that aren't regulated, they can do so many things to your Gcash or your accounts, not just your Gcash, your Facebook. They can clone your number. Ang daming pwedeng gawin dito. But okay, I get this video now. Ito para siyang real casino. Para siyang online casino. Where you play, you watch ads, they make money from ads and you losing.
So kung wala kang pang-cash in dito, pwede
Kailangan mo mag-cash in. I don't know about you, bro, but I'm all about making money without money kasi wala tayong pera.
yung inyong kinash in ay mape-pay out mo po dito.
Money back guarantee. Alright, I'm gonna stop this video because I won't play this game because it needs a cell phone number. Pero kung gusto niyo siyang subukan, maybe give it a try, pero be cautious dahil anything that requires your number tapos wala sa Play Store, wala sa Apple Store. Wait lang, actually nasa Apple Store pala. See, it's not on the Apple Store anymore. Pinoy influencer, 319,000 followers. Wow.
We can sell Bitcoin. Let's say ngayon ang price
Buy Bitcoin, coins.ph, Binance, packs full, sell to pay for dot.
flow chart ng ating gagawin. Okay, so para makita nyo kung paano gumagana tong Bitcoin. Alright, so saan tayo pwedeng bumili ng Bitcoin coin? Through coins that...
Alright, so I'm not gonna continue if you're gonna have to buy Bitcoin. Tapos lalagay mo yung PayPal address mo, which is literally, okay, 1,000 pesos. Mukhang palayo na ng palayo ah. First day pa lang naman. Let's see how it goes. Kumita ako ng 10,000 in just one day sa paglalaro gamit ang cellphone. Pinoy influencer
Ano bang
again.
kumita sa application na to? Ng katulad nito sa Gcash?
Okay, so itong app na to may puhunan. We can't play it. You need 2,000 pesos to make 10,000. Ang hirap naman nun, Lods. Hirap nito ah.
Alright, so dito pwede tayong pumili ng ating parang lalaruin. So, click ulitin lang natin.
Alright, another online casino game na kailangan mong mamuhunan. No. 7.5 gamit ang cellphone. Let's go. 27,000 views. Libreng 7,500 pesos. In 2 days, here I am trying to make 1,000 pesos in 5 days.
Cash sa pagko-complete lamang ng task, specifically sa pag-a-upload lamang ng picture. Nalagay ko
Alright,
yung download
finally.
link dyan sa description box and
Let's
sa
check
pinned
out,
comment. So, Words ay para po siyang advertising platform na kung saan yung mga advertisers from different companies and mga brands ay nagpapa-advertise dito kay Jag. So, first is you will just have to purchase the product. You will
Dang! Uy, pero win-win to ah. Bibili ka na ng product, may pagkain ka na, tapos kikita ka pa ng pera. Actually, makakabawi ka pa nga. Wait, ano ba to? Mahal ba to? Oh, there's a price, 80 pesos, 160. For 160 pesos, and you've got a chance to make 320. Damn! Okay, feeling ko legitimate to, pero I cannot do this on Facebook. Wow! Huge tip sa mga entrepreneurs, actually. This is a very good lesson right now. This is technically fabricating virality. And I don't blame the businesses for it. It's a tough playing field. Well, no wonder she wins because she's got 286 followers on YouTube. But congratulations, Positive Chica, galing. Once again, this is a type of affiliate marketing na pwede mong gawin pag meron ka ng channel or meron ka ng steady flow of people coming into your website and you do this and you make money off of this. It's a really easy way for influencers to make money if you are in this niche. Let's check out. It's still there. Watch and earn ad rewards. 1 million downloads. Alright, so hindi ko to gagawin. Papagawa ko to sa kapatid ko. See how that goes. Okay, so last try maghanap ng pagkakitaan and yung mga gagawin ko to make money in the next 4 days. 4 days na lang. Free 120 pesos? Why not?
So, yung farm mo dito guys, as you can see, meron tayo 356 guests.
Manonood ka lang. $15.
Application nyo ay Switch Lite, $30 mobile credit, Apple Watch, teapot, then electric toothbrush.
I want that teapot.
Oh.
So, this is a form of affiliate marketing. Ito yung sinasabi ko ng isang video ko, pwede kang gumawa ng Facebook. Tapos pagmukain mong talagang legitimate na shop, pero yung mga products na ibebenta mo are affiliate links that link to Lazada, Shopee, other e-commerce platforms. Technically, ganito rin to. and binibigyan ka ng commission every time someone clicks that link. But for you to get $4, sobrang dami mong kailangan people clicking that link. I would think this is 1,000 clicks per dollar. Maybe even more.
Tulungan nila ako guys na makuha yung $120.
Okay, so if you have the appetite for this kind of making money, although isipin mo, marami bang mag-click ng link pag ganyan yung itsura ng link? Kung iba yung itsura ng link, but this isn't for me, I don't think I can do this kasi ayokong gamitin yung Facebook for something like this. So that's it for tonight. Nag-research lang ako na kung ano yung mga pwede pagkakitaan. So far, we've had a lot of online casinos. Just know that the house always wins pagdating sa casinos. The other type was a Bitcoin related. Actually, a lot of them are Bitcoin related. And there's a lot of chances na manakawan ka. I really do not advise this. But again, depende sa'yo kung kaya mo. Yung third type naman is yung game apps, pero sobrang dami mong kailangan na bago ka manalo. Exemption na yung music app where you have to listen to 19 hours of music for $1. Kung kaya mo yun, why not? Sa mga games naman, kung kaya mo maglaro ng one game for hours on end, literal na mga 10, 12, 14, 20 hours. Para sa akin, it's not a good way to spend your time. Sobrang dami mo pang pwedeng pagkakitaan na hindi gamit yung cellphone. But, meron tayong one winner, medyo pinaniniwalaan ko to, which is yung Jag app. Pero that's for now. This is day 1. Again, tingnan natin kung okay talaga siya. So bukas naman, maghahanap tayo ng iba pang types of money-making methods using your cellphone. Bakit ko ba ginagawa tong video na to? Feeling ko, yung 1,000. Hi! Pero susubukan natin yan. Meron pa tayong 4 days. Let's do that. Let's check it out. Let's try our best. And I'll do this again tomorrow.